How to use Google Sites to create a website page. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Google Sites easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Google Sites. This is the home page. Now right here you will find many options. You can search for a template from here for a portfolio or something, but I recommend you to just click here on template gallery and you will find many options and template. For example, holiday party, dog walker, photo portfolio, restaurant. For example, let's choose this project template. After you click on it, all what you have to do is wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page. Now right here you can add your project name, for example Jacob project, like this. You can add everything and change everything from here, from the size of the text, the images and everything. As you can see, it's very easy to change the images and everything. You can also replace images if you want by clicking on them, and yeah, like this. Click on the image, click here, click replace, click upload. And after you finish editing all those informations, you can also change the themes from here. You have many options to change between. After you finish, click publish and everything's gonna be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.